the next video. In today's video I will show you how to render SVG icons or vector icons in React Native's new architecture without using any third-party library. So let's get started. So firstly I will show you an output. So here you can see I have a SVG icon rendered on native Android, and this is the output for my iOS. So here you can see an icon being rendered for iOS as well. So first things first, what you will have to do is you will have to create a React Native project. Then you will have to enable the new architecture. So to enable the new architecture for Android, you will have to search for new arc enable. It should be present inside Android Gradle.properties, and you have to make this as true. Next, for iOS, you will have to cd to the iOS directory and then run this command. So this will enable the new architecture for iOS as well. Once that is done, we will be making use of Fabric native components. So a lot of code will be copied from this doc. So if you are interested, keep this open. Next, what I will do is go to my React Native project. I will close everything for now. Next, I will create this folder called rtn svg. Inside that I will create package.json file first. So here you can see this is my package.json, and only this name, again everything is copied from docs, only this name has been changed, this name has been changed, and this has been changed. Next, I have created a podspec file. Again everything is copied from docs, and only this name has been changed, everything else remains the same. Next, I have created a JS folder. Inside that I have created this TypeScript file. Again I have copied everything from the docs, only the file name changes. And here inside text we will be passing the name of the SVG icon which we want to render. If you like, I have tried passing the width and height as well, but it was causing a lot of issues on Android for the image view to render. That's why I'm only passing the text, and width and height we will set it via the styles attribute of our component, and this name has been changed. Next, inside Android, firstly you will have to create build.gradle. Again I have copy pasted this from docs, and only thing I have added is this apply plugin Kotlin Android. This namespace has been changed, and I have added this implementation of Kotlin standard lib. Next, go to src main, create this java com rtn svg, as well as create this res drawable as well. And inside that I will show you how to import your vector icon. It is not like copy paste your vector icon inside this folder. It's not as simple as that for Android. So I will show you how to exactly do that for Android. Next, what you will have to do is you will have to create this svg view first. So here you can see I'm just taking an app compat image view, and I am assigning a wrap content to its width as well as height. Like previously I was trying to assign width and height from that like from React Native, because I was passing it to the native side, but unfortunately that wasn't working for me. Next, I have created this svg package.kt. Again I have copy pasted this from docs, and only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and here we are using svg view manager. And here again I have copied svg manager from docs, and only this name has been changed, this and this has been changed, this has been changed. So only change your file names wherever required, and this has been changed. And here you can see we are passing the prop of text from React Native side, and here I am actually doing an if clause to check what you have passed. So if it is equal to dashboard, then show this dashboard icon. So if you have multiple vector icons, then you will have to write else if clause as well, or you can use a switch case as well, whatever you prefer. Now I know there is another method called resource.get identifier. If you use that, you won't have to write this if else clause, but the issue with that method is not recommended by Android, because it uses reflections, I guess, internally, and that might cause a lot of performance issues. That's why I've decided to keep it pretty simple. Now how to import this, like if you have an svg icon, how to import this. So what you will have to do is you will have to open the main Android folder first, and inside Android Studio, and before I will show you how to import it, make sure you add this Kotlin version over here inside build.gradle, as well as this class path over here, and go to app, build.gradle, add this implementation of Kotlin standard lib over here, as well as apply plugin Kotlin Android over here. Now open the Android folder inside Android Studio, what you will have to do is you will have to go to this so I will close this. You won't be having this folder because we haven't run the code generation command yet. So what you will do is you will go to the whatever your project name is. My project name is rn app. You will have to go to res, go to drawable. You will have to right click on this, create new vector asset, go select local file. Then you will have to click on this folder icon and navigate to whatever navigate to wherever your svg icon is. So mine is over here. So here I can see I can include dashboard.svg. okay, I will click open. Next I can click on next. I will click on finish. So here you can see that svg icon is converted to xml. So this is how I will just close this for now. We'll just do code, and here you can see that it looks completely different. That's why we can't copy paste directly in Android. Now what you can do is you can just copy paste this code and make sure you give the name as dashboard.xml or whatever your svg file name is, and copy paste this code, and you can paste it over here. Create an xml file and paste it over here. That's how I have done it. Now from here you can delete this file. We don't need this. So that's how I have done it. I know it is little bit of work, but it is better to do this instead of relying on a third party library. So once you do it for Android, what you will have to do is go to app.tsx and here you will have to open your terminal. Go to the root of your React Native project first. Before running this command I will show you iOS as well. So for iOS what you will have to do is open your iOS folder inside Xcode, and you just have to drag and drop your svg icon over here. So for iOS it is pretty simple. Just drag and drop your svg icon inside images. Next for iOS I am using Objective-C. So here again I have copy pasted. So create an iOS folder and create this header file. Again I have copy pasted this from docs, and only this name has been changed. Everything else remains the same. Next I have created an Objective-C++ file. Again I have copy pasted this from docs. Only this name has been changed, and this has been changed, and this name has been changed. This name has been changed. And here we are taking a UI view as well as UI image view. And again this has been copied from docs, and this name has been changed. This has been copied from docs. Here we are initializing our view as well as image view. Then we are adding that image view to our view. Then here I am just applying some ns layout constraints so that image view can occupy the entire width of our view. And here you can see that again this has been copied from docs. This has been copied from docs. This is my old code where I was passing the width and height as well, but that was causing issue for Android. That's why I removed it. So you can ignore this commented out code for now. But here once we get the whatever name of our vector icon is, I am converting it to a string and I am assigning to our image view. And here you can see again I have copy pasted this from docs, and only this name and this name has been changed. Then we will have to create another Objective-C++ file for our manager class. Again this has been copied from docs. Sorry, I forgot to remove this. This is not required, these two lines, because we are only passing text from our TypeScript file. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Everything else remains the same. Next inside terminal you can go to the root of your React Native project and then run this command. Once you run this, you will have to do cd space ... It will move you outside your React Native project, and then run this command over here as well. And but make sure my project name is rn app. That's why I have written rn app over here as well as over here. But make sure you change your app name to whatever your project name is. Then cd to Android and then run this command. So this will do code generation for Android. Then cd to iOS and then run this command. So this will do code generation for iOS. Then you can import your library something like this. Then just use it like this. You can just pass the name of your svg icon, and here you can assign the width and height accordingly. So I think, yeah, that should be it. Thank you for watching. Bye.